Imagine you are out on a beautiful ride, enjoying the open road, when suddenly you hear a new, subtle sound emanating from your motorcycle engine. It is a soft, continuous hiss, not too loud, but definitely there. You might wonder if this is just normal engine noise, or if it is something you need to worry about. A hissing noise from your motorcycle engine can indeed be serious, and it is crucial to address it promptly, as it often indicates a leak in a pressurized system. While some hissing sounds might be minor, others point to problems that could lead to significant damage or even a breakdown if ignored. The primary reason you hear a hiss is usually an escape of air or fluid under pressure. For motorcycles, common culprits include vacuum leaks, exhaust leaks, or coolant leaks. A vacuum leak occurs when unmetered air enters the engine past the throttle body, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. This can come from a cracked vacuum hose, a loose intake manifold, or a worn carburetor boot, leading to poor engine performance, stalling, or a rough idle. Exhaust leaks are another frequent cause, often signaling a breach in the exhaust manifold gasket, a cracked exhaust pipe, or a loose connection where pipes join. This allows hot exhaust gases to escape prematurely, reducing engine efficiency and potentially increasing noise levels or even causing exhaust fumes to enter areas they should not. Less commonly, a hiss could also indicate a small coolant leak from a hose or radiator, especially if the engine is hot and the cooling system is under pressure, though this usually comes with other signs like dripping fluid. To identify the source of the hiss, begin by listening carefully to pinpoint the general area the sound is coming from. Visually inspect all vacuum lines, exhaust pipes, and joints for any cracks, loose clamps, or dark carbon deposits that might indicate a leak. You can also carefully use a spray bottle with soapy water on suspected exhaust joints while the engine is running to look for bubbles, or use a mechanic's stethoscope to isolate vacuum leaks more precisely. Remember that early detection can save you from a more costly repair down the line. For example, ignoring a small vacuum leak can eventually lead to engine damage from running too lean, or even cause your motorcycle to stall in traffic. Similarly, an exhaust leak can cause a loss of power and potentially lead to failed emissions tests in some areas. Always prioritize your safety and the longevity of your bike by taking unusual noises seriously. In short, a hissing engine is your motorcycle trying to tell you something important about its health. Pinpointing the source quickly, whether it is a simple vacuum hose or a developing exhaust issue, will ensure your ride remains smooth, efficient, and most importantly, safe for every journey ahead.